I see there is a lot of black people that is now trying to chase the white man also from South Africa. I always knew he was stupid, but that stupid I never knew. The white man is the only guy or race that is keeping this country alive. If you chase the white people from South Africa, I can promise you now, you're not gonna be like Zimbabwe. You're gonna be worse than Zimbabwe. Don't be stupid. Don't listen to the stupid fools that want to chase away everyone. I think maybe it's time for the Malawian, the white man, the Zimbabwean, all these innocent people you want to chase. Maybe we must take hands and we must chase you back to the sea. Because you think this country belongs to you. It doesn't belong to you, my brother or sister. This country, it belongs to everyone that stays in South Africa, that's making South Africa a better place. You making South Africa a worse place. We must chase you. You must go to the sea. Because all you can do is march. It's all you can do is march. I'm not happy. I'm gonna march. I'm gonna toy. But you don't know how to work. You don't know how to make things better. You don't know how to build. You know how to break down. That's all you know. Want to break down. Every time you see somebody is doing things better than you chase them away. Because you know there's people that's working in South Africa from other countries is doing the work much better than you guys can. Because all you want to do is you want to sleep with the woman, you want to drink, you want to steal, you want to break, you don't want to build stuff. Maybe it's time to go look in the mirror and say, hey, Baba, catch your wake up. It's time for us to start building places. It's time for us to work. It's time for us to take hands with people that want to do better. And let's build this country and not break it, because that's all you want to do. You want to destroy stuff. So yeah, chase away the white people. Chase us away. Yeah. It's chasing away the goose that's laying the golden egg. I don't know if you understand if I say that. Maybe you're too stupid.